How to fix crashing issue in color block jam. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make the game smoother without any lags. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm already inside the game. Now here there are no such settings as graphics, so it won't matter much, but sometimes there will be some lags and there will be some errors in the application. So how do you solve it? So basically you can just simply restart the application or even clear the cache of the application. After doing these two methods, you'll be able to easily have the gameplay smoother. So there is no such high graphics involved in the game, so you must not worry about any lags and other FPS problems that other games have. Simply restart the game and try clearing the cache of the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.